We've got an exciting plan today. What's it called? Snoqualmie Falls. We're gonna go find a waterfall. We are gonna go chasing waterfalls. Oh my god. Oh, are you serious? That is gonna be the greatest thing I've ever filmed in my life. It is an absolutely beautiful day in Woodinville, Washington State, not DC, because I know you'd be confused because I live in Maryland, so DC it confuses me since I was a little child. It is beautiful here. The weather is incredibly comparable to Maryland, I must say, and I'm impressed. Will this fit? God forbid.
What's that?
Woo! I can honestly say that was probably the coolest thing I've ever done in my entire life. Guys, what'd you think? Did that turn out good?
That was incredible.
Ignore the sign that Teddy was standing in front of that said no drone flying. So, other than that, that went great. I know, right? How'd you get that?
Try to catch me riding dirty. Nope.
She's beautiful.
Thank you.
Alright, right, so we've come to Teddy's Burgers. Not this Teddy's Burgers, but like a different Teddy's Burgers. Supposedly this place is like iconic for being like Hawaiian themed and does it have good burgers?
Yep, it's really good. Very nice.
We're just waiting for our food with these fish friends we've made. Dude, that is so cool.
Sorry.
I want that. Why can't I just... It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Look, it's a bunny. It's a bunny. Oh, he's gone. Gone forever. Oh, there's another one right there. Bunny. Hey, friend. No, no, no. Oh. I think we're now in the real Pike Place. This is exciting. I want to see some fish throwing. They do that right here.